Schalomchen, friends.
Schalomchen.
In Germany we are afraid of the police because we have 20 kilometers per hour limit for e-scooter speed and it's very slow. So we have many...
The e-scooter tuning community in Germany is very, very big. And the options of e-scooter tuning in Germany are very big too. But yeah, if you get catched by police, you are fucked.
That you can tune or you can make faster. This scooter is the best one if you don't want to have trouble with the police.
Yeah, and in the last episodes from how to make every e-scooter faster, you have seen a scooter tuning app, and you have seen that we cut the cable, my friends. And if you cut the cable is cutted, you know? It's yeah. And if you catch by police with a cutted cable, it's not good.
You're fucked.
But this scooter is perfect if you want to make this, yeah, easy. Because this scooter has a
mode you can put on very easy with one button. You can make this faster, put it out, and no one can piss you on.
So my friends, this is the scooter dashboard or display, and throttle is right here on the scooter. The scooter called Hitway H5. It's a very nice scooter. It has a front and rear suspension, and it's not very expensive.
Look down in the description for the link.
Yeah, just click on the link in the description and yeah, see. You can look, it's very nice. We have already tested it on our German channel and it's very good.
So in Germany we have sadly 20 kilometers per hour. It's very, very slow. So everyone in Germany wants to tune their e-scooter.
Yeah, and this e-scooter make this very easy. You have it's very stupid, but just press on this button 5 times in a row. I show you. And now.
This is so easy.
45 kilometers per hour. And now you get catched by police and just off, on.
Start and
it's slow again. And this is the easiest way to make your e-scooter faster, and that a lot. Yeah, this is just stupid how easy this is. And yeah, I don't know what to say, but it's stupid.
It's unfair for the other e-scooter companies, but okay. If you don't want to have trouble and want to drive faster with the e-scooter, this is a perfect way, the Hitway.
Yeah. And this, yeah, that was it for the video today.
One thing, it's discounted at the moment in Amazon. So look in the description down below. It's 580 euros for this scooter. It's a very, very good price.
Yeah, that's a good price.
So if you want to, well, if you don't have a scooter and you are looking,
yeah, just try it. Just click on the link and just look. If you like it, buy it. If not, not.
Put some comments down below which scooter you want to see next. We have a lot of scooters, and our English will get better and better and better, I hope. So,
yeah, I hope too.
So thank you for watching, and subscribe and like this video, and we are seeing you in the next episode. Scheiße, ich muss ja rausholen, fuck.
Das ist weg.